Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another little mini album project share to share with you guys. And if you guys haven't seen my previous video, I do have a video class tutorial on how to make this album with all the pages and the tags and everything. So you guys could check that out and I'll have a link in the description box down below. But yeah, so I made another mini album and I love making these. So let's get right into it and I'll show you guys the paper that I used also. So for this mini album, it's a pastel themed Halloween little mini album. I used a combination, I got a little sticker here. I used a combination of Pinkaboo, which is from Recollections, and these are the papers from Pinkaboo. I used, I think 3 different patterns from this, and I included it in here. So that's that. And then I also used the papers from this collection, which is called Bootiful Nights. Let me show you guys. So Bootiful Nights, and it's by American Crafts. I don't really know the other company, maybe Simple Stories, maybe not, I don't really know, but it's called Bootiful Nights and Pinkaboo that I used for this beautiful mini album. And I just want to say thank you again to Tiffany, who traded some papers with me, because I literally only had one paper from this collection, and it was like this one with the stars on one side and this on the other side. Like, that's the only paper I had from this collection. So thank you so much, Tiffany, for swapping with me and getting me some more papers, so I was able to even create this album with all the beautiful cut parts and fun cut parts and things like that. So yeah, all right guys, let me get into it and show you guys this album. So for this mini, I obviously have my seam binding closure in like a lavender color, because again, it was a pastel Halloween theme. I have all my seam binding peeking up here in different colors that match the collection, and I will have the seam binding link down below in case you guys want to get some seam binding yourself. So I decorated the front with this spooky sentiment, and that's from the Bootiful Nights collection, and this Happy Halloween sticker, which is actually from Happy Haunting by Simple Stories, as well as this house and the stars. Those are from the Happy Haunting collection by Simple Stories, so I just used those to decorate, but everything else in the papers are from either Bootiful Nights or Pinkaboo. I have these cute little charms. So I've got this purple tassel, like a lavender, a little ghosty, an orange wire wrapped bead, and a little pink wire wrapped bead on an eyelet. Back there I cut out from glitter cardstock a spider web, so I just layered it up. I have stitching all around. Here's the spine, and then the back side with my logo. So when you open up this adorable cutie patootie, on the inside here, here's some of that Pinkaboo paper, and it's gold foiled, and it just looks so cute. Here I have a cut apart, and it says trick or treat, and I did leave it open so you could tuck something behind that right there, which I don't think I have anything to show you guys. Oh, I have a scrappy. See, so you could tuck something behind it for the recipients, so they could tuck something behind it, and they're using it mainly as like a little journal album. So I have all of the cut apart cards backed onto white cardstock, so that they could do some journaling on the outside. So that one flips out. It says Bewitching, and it flips out. It has the white card attached with some washi tape. All of these pages are stitched, and this is paper from Pinkaboo right here, and this one is Bootiful Nights, and they all have the tags because they're all pocket pages. And again, I have a video class tutorial on how to make this whole entire thing, and I show you guys how to make these pockets and everything also, and all the chipboard and everything. So if you guys want to check that out, link is below. So for this next page, it's like a starry background. Here I made like an angled pocket, and I have another cut apart here that says Witch's Brew, again backed onto white cardstock for journaling. And it just lives in that pocket there. And obviously you could add more goodies behind there also if you want to add more photos or anything. Then I have this pull-out tag here, And again, they're all backed onto white. This was double-sided paper, so I had to do a lot of white backing just so that there's space for journaling. Here I have these spiders, which is also from Pinkaboo, and this Happy Halloween cut apart that flips open, and again it's white on the back. And then another pull-out tag here for more journaling and more photos. What I would probably do is add like photos here, and then if I still had more photos, I would add another photo here and then do the journaling on the back. Or if I didn't have that many photos, I would add my photos like onto here and then leave this blank and then do journaling on these things. So it just depends on how many photos you have, but you definitely could fit quite a bit, and these are perfect to fit 3x4 photos, which is this size, or you could even do 4x4 photos. You could even fit 4x5 photos also. And if you wanted to do like a 4x6, it would have to go horizontally, and you could like cut it in half and like put half on one page and half on the other, do some decorating and whatnot. But it's such a cute album. I love these. So this next page, I have another pocket here. It says treat yourself, again on backed onto white cardstock. And then there's another pull-out tag here, and I love these. I love them so much. Here I have a candy corn page and this pull-out here. And all the pull-out tags are scrappies from the paper that I used, so it worked out really well. Here I have a plaid, and then it says Hocus Pocus, another cut apart with backed on white. And then I have a pull-out tag here, and then it's this beautiful like star paper. I just love making these so much, and they're so little, so cute, perfect to document like one event. So perfect for like a Halloween documentation, to add your kids' Halloween photos or Halloween party or wherever they went. So yeah, it's perfect for like one event or like a weekend kind of event. I really love the size of these. They're so cute. So if you guys want to learn how to make one yourself, again, I do have a video class tutorial, so the link is down below in the description box in case you guys are interested. Otherwise, I hope this inspires you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope it inspires you. We're now on to some Halloween crafting, even though I craft everything whenever, but I've been really in the mood for some Halloween crafting and some fall, so stay tuned because more projects are coming up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.